What about you folks? CJ Audits, Auditing Northern Ireland here. We're in Admiral Street in Liverpool here. We're with the Gwent Auditor TGA, so we are. And we're with Mr. BALDY Audits here, folks. Mr. BALDY Audits Belfast, folks. So here we go. Give a wee look at this one here. This is actually my first police station in England, in Liverpool. So it is. We'll have a look at it like anyway, folks, so we'll maybe get Fred in the sky here shortly. Yeah man, we'll have a wee look at it. See what the old story in Ballymoor is. Oh, TGA's for a nice wee car across there. Wee bit of advertising there, Admiral Carpets. Yeah mate, I think so. Yeah, it's nice. Whoa!
Nice cars, Norris Miners, vintage.
We're getting it better than that, though, folks. I just turned around there and walked right through them two posts there and nearly walked into them. Yeah, man. Go that way, let TGA go. So, mount cameras. So, that's the entrance must be around the other side. There's guys walking through down there, look. That's not it. Parish Centre. The entrance must be around the other side. Yeah, folks, we'll take a wee walk around this other side here. So we'll TGA, or he can swim his or yeah, man. So let's go in Liverpool, folks. We've just done a couple of wee ones there earlier, and I'll try the first station here, anyway. My first station, yeah. Admiral Street, Liverpool. Aye, calm down, calm down. Yeah, man. Look at the state of that flag, man. That's a disgrace. They actually should replace that flag, man. So they should. Tore to shreds. But yeah, man. Don't see any. Yeah. I don't see any flag. Being wrecked, you know.
Yes, and they don't want to be taking the virus, that's what.
Oh, remember the public on there. I'll not take this girl here, so we won't. I'll take a couple of signs. Oh, reception. That's probably. Yeah, folks, there's a member of the public in here, folks. I'm not going to record this lady, so I'm not. Yeah, have your say.
How are we? Not dead on yourself? Yeah, good, thanks. I'm just doing a little inspection of the police station. Sorry? Just doing a little inspection of the police station. That's okay, that's fine now. All good, thank you. Are we all together? No, they're
I'm waiting for somebody to come in.
You are?
Yeah.
Let's say, folks, there's none of the public's in here, and I'm actually not going to.
If you want to give it a
not going to put these on.
No, it's fine.
Let's say there's members of the public in here, folks. I'm not going to put them on camera because they're in here for. I see the police, you know, just interested in the signage. How you doing, lad? Alright, man?
I'm good, thanks, yeah.
Good man, mate, good man. You getting her handy?
Sorry?
You getting her handy?
No.
No? See it, folks, yeah. Property.
Just going to see how
And that
public stuff.
that's all it is.
Destination that, I'll see lots of it.
Yeah.
But also,
That's what I said on my
So I'd
bag.
let you know as well, we got drones in our bag, so planning on just flying over you.
There isn't any public money
No
there.
worries.
I know.
That's an unstrip, isn't it?
Everything is being brought to the bone.
Didn't even realise we had front cover to be honest.
Yeah, man, hi, we learned something, didn't we?
Last night, it's just nothing.
There's the police, Facebook and Twitter. Help shape the police, race action.
Same Aldridge gets switched.
Yeah, folks, there's not much to see in here, so I'm going to get the phone up here, so I am. I'll put members of the public on.
Alright,
We'll let you.
All the best, mate. Cheers, thank you.
Alright, the guy at the front desk.
Yeah, that guy's 100% in there, like, Either that or he's just gobsmacked. You know. So yeah, we'll take a walk down here and see if we can walk around the back before we get Fred in the sky, folks. Before we get Fred up. So we can't see over that wall, but Fred will. We'll get him up for easing a wee minute here, folks. Yeah. Oh, back gates, man. Oh, look at all them cars, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. There's a couple of guys up there and them open garages up there. Look. Yeah, folks. So we're gonna get Fred up here.
Actually, any of the yellow vans there. We've only got the yellow vans on Merseyside.
Yeah.
The yellow police van. We've got these big yellow vans in Merseyside.
I've never seen them before, mate. No, it's the same, man. First time, you know the crack, like.
I had them down, where was it? Crosby police station.
Yeah.
I think it was Crosby anyway. Normally these stand-up patrol unit.
Well, yeah, folks, I'm gonna get Fred up in the sky here, so I'm gonna get him launched here because we're gonna launch him here probably. Get him launched up into the sky here. So yeah, folks. So from CJ Audits, Auditing Northern Ireland, from TGA and BALDY Audits. Look, all the best. Take it easy. May the force be with you.